Namaste. So today we're going to explore two different pranayamas together for an energizing and uplifting day ahead. It's best to practice Kapalabhati, the first pranayama, in the morning on an empty belly before you've taken any food or any water, because we're going to be drawing the navel in thrusts, so it massages out the digestive system. So Kapalabhati literally means skull shining breath. It brings the energy from the base of the spine all the way up to the third eye and brings clarity. If you ever feel like a little bit fuzzy in your thinking, it brings clarity and clears out the sinuses as well as the lungs. It also helps to build digestive fire, so it'll strengthen your digestive system. Good morning, Sita. So we're going to begin with this breath, and we'll do 25 rounds the first time. And then after 25 sets, we'll come into Brahmari Pranayama, which is the bumblebee breath. It's the humming breath. And this breath, you take a deep inhale, and on the exhalation, there's a hum. So I'm going to show you first both these techniques together, and then we'll practice them together. We'll do several sets in a row, and then we'll sit quietly. It's important you have a comfortable seat where you're rooted in the sit bones and your spine is nice and tall. There's a lot of space for the breath, and you can expand the rib cage. So we'll start first just breathing in some deep inhales and exhales. Again, from the base of the spine all the way up. Rib cage stays lifted. And this time I'm going to breathe in and begin the Kapalabhati breath. You can just watch for the first set. I'm going to exhale completely and then take an inhale. The Brahmari, we put the thumbs over the ears, index fingers above the eyes, the other three fingers below, elbows out, and on the exhale you hum. Then we'll release. We'll take a cleansing breath and we'll begin again. So we're going to do 3 sets. We'll start the first set with 25 Kapalabhatis, 1 Brahmari, take a resting breath, and then we'll build up to 50 Kapalabhati breaths. If that's too much for you, please note you need to build this breath and it'll take a while to get the muscles to do this. You want to try to maintain the thrusts from the low belly, and the upper body stays pretty much still. So when Sita is ready, we'll begin. Sita, have a seat. Okay, nice and tall. First, a deep inhale. Exhale all the way out. Again, a deep inhale. Exhale all the way. Keep the rib cage lifted. This time, a deep inhale. And begin. Exhale. Deep inhale. Brahmari. Release. Resting breath. Begin again with Kapalabhati. Exhale. Deep inhale. Apply the mudra, thumbs over the ears. resting breath. Kapalabhati. Exhale completely. Deep inhale. Brahmari. Sit for a couple moments. If you'd like, index finger under the thumb, other 3 fingers point down, eyes closed, tall spine. Breathing deeply from the base of the spine up to the 3rd eye, breathing through your nose. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May all beings everywhere be happy and free. May our thoughts, words, and actions in some way contribute to that happiness and freedom. Have a beautiful, uplifting day. Namaste. Namaste, Sita.